69th National School Games Championship 2025-26 kicked off at KHUMAN LAMPAK main stadium today. Manipur Governor Kumar Bhalla inaugurated the championship, which features 5 disciplines, namely wushu, archery, judo, fencing and football. Over 3,500 participants from more than 30 states and union territories are competing in the championship. Addressing the opening ceremony, Manipur Governor Kumar Bhalla congratulated Department of Youth Affairs and Sports Government of Manipur and all collaborating departments for organizing the grand sporting event. Governor Bhalla asserted that the prestigious national event is a celebration of youth, discipline, unity and sporting excellence and is a matter of great pride for Manipur to host this championship. The championship will be conducted in 3 phases from January 14th to February 3rd. Chief Secretary Punit Kumar Goel, YAS Secretary N. Pravin, YAS Director Dr. M. Vito, along with other eminent persons, graced the opening ceremony, which was marked by cultural performances.
Manipur, often called as Sports Powerhouse of India, takes great pride in hosting the national event. This land has produced Olympians, world champions and countless role models who have shown how determination and perseverance can overcome all odds. I hope that during your stay here, you will draw your inspiration from Manipur's sporting culture, its discipline and its deep respect for athletes. Dear athletes, winning is important, but giving your best is more important. Play fair, respect your opponents, listen to your coaches and enjoy every moment of this journey. Friendships forged here will last a lifetime and the lessons learned will guide you far beyond the playing field.